ChatGPT plus YouTube automation is by far one of the easiest ways right now to make over $500 every single day without even having to lift a finger. As we may know, artificial intelligence is getting extremely scary, and it's honestly going to replace a lot of people's jobs, including a lot of big YouTube channels. And as we can see right here, this channel has over 1.5 million subscribers with only 100 videos on the channel. And as you can see in the About section, they pull over 115 million views in only 2 years, meaning that they probably made well over $500,000. And as you can see in their most viral video with well over 1 million views, they made almost pretty much the entire video just faceless but with a bunch of quotes. So this channel specifically goes over stoic life lessons for men. So again, they don't have to do any editing. They don't have to show their face. As you can see right here, it's completely faceless, and all they're doing is just putting quotes up with a simple voiceover. I don't want to show you because I don't want to get copyrighted, but this video has over 30,000 likes. And again, if you do the math, that's probably over $5,000 for one single video. So I'm going to show you exactly how we can replicate this video using artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and other various tools, so make sure you stick to the end. Alright, so we're going to be attempting to use ChatGPT for the entire channel creation process. As you can see, all you need to do is just ask ChatGPT, create me a channel name that runs in the area of stoicism. So if anybody doesn't know what stoicism is, it's just pretty much not showing your emotions. I think it's pretty cool. As you can see right here, it gave me the name Stoic Stage Channel. I don't really like that. I don't like that. Can we do ask 5 more? So all you got to do is ask for 5 different names. Find something, don't take too long on the process, but of course just find something you like. All right, so as you can see right here, I really like this name Stoic Life Path. Honestly, it seems pretty cool, so I'm going to go ahead and create a channel with this later, but let's go ahead and get the general idea of what we want to do for the videos. We're going to make this as quick as possible. So as you can see, it says Stoic Life Lessons for Men that they learn too late in life. So all you need to do is just simply ask, give me, let's say 20 quotes about Stoic life lessons they learned too late in life. You click enter right there, and ChatGPT literally creates it for absolutely free. This is plagiarism free. You can use this in your own videos and make money right off the bat. So as you can see right here, it shows literally every single one with the quotes. As you can see in the video, it shows the quote by Seneca, or Seneca, however you pronounce it. It literally gives you the quote at the end of the video, and then it tells you exactly what you can do. Just copy and paste it right into your video. So ChatGPT already gave you your video footage, aka video script. So let's go ahead and get into the branding. All right, I really like Kittle because it's very simple and also uses somewhat of artificial intelligence to go ahead and create a really cool profile picture and banner. So again, I'll leave this in the description down below, but all you need to do is go over to new project, and it's just going to take you to this editor. It's completely free to use. You just go over to standard, then click create. And then what we need to do is go over to the elements section right here. And then let's go ahead, and this is a stoic person. This person literally put a Q for their profile picture. So we're just going to put stoic man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, these are all AI generated as soon as you do this. Oh, that one actually looks really cool. So let's go ahead and make this white, and then we will make the background. Let's see, I think I can make this dark. Okay, that looks really, really good. So as you can see, we just make this a little bit bigger. Put it straight dab in the middle. That looks really cool. So honestly, there is our channel creation logo for our channel. I don't even know what channel. We were gonna have Stoic Life Path, so I think it's very cool. So we already have the branding and the name down. Let's go ahead and get into the next step. All right, so before we go ahead and get into the next step, making money on YouTube is quite crucial whenever it comes to a cash cow channel. That's honestly why we want to make money with it. You have to have ads enabled. But for YouTube, you have to go through the entire process of uploading for 6 to 12 months, getting over 500 subscribers, over 3,000 hours of watch time, which can take a lot of time, patience, and money just in general. So here at CashCowLab.com, which is my own personal brand, which we do run and create personal monetized YouTube channels for a complete scratch, which is 100% yours to keep. As you can see, it's very simple. All you have to do is just go to the description down below to CashCowLab.com. And then we do have a very simple and easy, seamless process in order to get your channel right away. So again, it's delivered instantly to your email, 100% revenue split, 24-hour delivery, grow fast while learning. And again, we have other big clients that have used us sooner. So again, Cash Cow Lab is probably one of the best places to go. Again, it will be in the description down below. Okay, now if we go back over to the video section, we can see right here that all they have is just Seneca in the background. So all we have to do is go over to this brand new AI tool, which is pretty much a free mid-journey version. It's Blue Willow AI. So you have to go right here, and as you can see, try our new AI artwork. It's completely free to use. You do not have to have any credit card information, no referrals, absolutely nothing. You just have to click on try now for free, and then all you need to do is enter your information. Pretty self-explanatory. Just enter your email address. They'll just email you about some stuff. And then once you're inside the Discord server right here, it's literally a copy and pasted mid-journey. So this is extremely cool because I actually saved a bunch of money with this. You can subscribe right here if you want. But again, this is absolutely free. So all you need to do, if you've never used Midjourney or BlueWillow.ai, it's simply AI generated pictures and AI generated just content. So just like this, people just simply give it a script and a prompt of exactly what they want. As you can see right here, it literally gives you exactly what you want. Nobody else in the world has made a picture just like this. It's completely free for you to use in whatever you want, copyright free. So for this, what we need to do, we have Seneca in the background. So we need to do is do /imagine and then click on the prompt. And then for our prompt, we want to do black background with Seneca character, Seneca statue on the left side looking stoic. And then all you got to do is probably give it a few minutes or so for it to generate the picture through artificial intelligence, and then it'll be back in chat. So I'm going to get back to you whenever we're done. All right, guys, as you can see right here, it made the Seneca portrait, and it's pretty cool. Obviously, it's not the lengthwise that we need, but we can simply just add this in. So what we can do, we just want to click on the version that we want. So we're going to click on, I like the 4th version. So you click on U4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to generate you the 4th one, which you can use for free. And then you can just look at it right here. You can make it a little bit bigger, and then it will actually expand the picture for you. But if you click right here, and then you can just copy and paste it, and you'll be done. And for the last step of creating these automated YouTube automation videos, all you simply need to do is go over to 11 Labs. This is by far the #1 voiceover tool generated with AI. So it's very simple. All you need to do is just create a free account. It's completely free to use, not have to pay anything. So as you can see right here, all you need to do is just click on a voice that you want. So we can do Adam and Tony.
World to live as it chooses and allow yourself.
Yeah, no, that's really good. So again, all we have to do is go back to ChatGPT, then scroll down and look at every single quote that we actually did copy and paste right here. And then once you copy all of it, then we just head over to 11 Labs, then click right here, paste the text in, and then as you can see, you get 5,000 characters for absolutely free using my link in the description down below. And then you click on generate. And then after around probably 10, 20 seconds, it's going to generate you a completely free script for you to use in your automation videos, which is absolutely free. And you're completely done with the entire process.
The key to happiness is to want what you have, not what you don't have. Effective.
Yeah, so pretty much it just gives you an entire quote, and then you don't have to do anything itself. As you can see, this channel can do it itself, making over 1 million views for just simply quotes for 17 minutes straight, which makes them thousands of dollars per month. So pretty much there's nothing holding you back from making over $500 a day using artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and all these other tools that I showed you in this video. So if you want to go ahead and get your channel completely monetized and skip through the entire process of waiting, again, cashcallbob.com will be your guide to. It'll be in the description down below, and have a good day.